Ladies and gentlemen, by popular demand, the Red Wedding. Okay, all right, there's Sean. I love this drink, this is fun. Okay, so he starts off with a little bit of Scotch, beautiful, doing his backhanded pour. A little bit of bitters, okay. Ooh, that's a lot of bitters. Some lemon juice, get that in there. Fresh squeezed lemon juice, gotta love it. Okay, and then two things at once. That's egg white in one container and the other one had simple syrup. And then he follows that up with some beet juice, okay? Ice in there and we shake. Gotta double shake this, remember people, with egg whites. You wanna shake twice. One's cold, one's dry, so that's the first shake. It's coming behind with another shake, okay? It's a dry shake now. Boom, 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 boom. Good to go, and we strain that in our glass. Beautiful. You see the little foam created by the egg whites right there. Okay, and then a little bit of black, I guess, for Cersei's soul. And there you have it, the Red Wedding. And there you have it. Okay, I love the name, so the Red Wedding.
No, not real blood, though. There's not actually blood in it.
The Red Wedding, homeboy. Oh, my God. Game of Thrones is...
It's a force to be reckoned with.
I like it.
Beet juice and a lot of Angostura bitters.
I could taste all of it, but it's cool. I like it. And what's the black on top?
It's sea salt. It's like just kind of got a little smokiness to it.
Okay, so black
Pairs
sea
nice
salt.
with the Scotch. And if you're not a Scotch drinker, you could totally do this with a rye whiskey and it would be just as good. But this just brings a little bit of smoke that helps round out the beets.
No, I like it, man. How'd you come up with this one? Wait a minute, so who's your favorite character on Game of Thrones?
Oh,
Sean?
man, I asked you not to do this off camera.
Not to do what?
I've never actually seen the show.
You've never seen the show and you're making the Red
Everybody
Wedding?
tell me in the comments that I suck. No.
Yes, you do suck, goddammit. You're making the Red Wedding, you never seen the damn show, okay?
Well, I mean, when I think beets, I think about how like blood red they are and like
In an episode that you've never even seen.
But I know there's a lot of blood in that episode. People die. Now I'm gonna be dead on your channel for not watching. You love doing this to me.
The beauty, okay, we're supposed to be talking about the drink, okay? Good stuff. But the beauty of Game of Thrones is that any of the main characters could die, and that is freaking awesome, you know what I mean? Because no other show like that, because in even movies, you know the lead's gonna live, but in this one, they can die.
They can die. And you have enough of those, you might feel a little dead the next morning.
And this is really, really good, man.
I mean, it's ingredients that most people I would think wouldn't typically drink or have. Like a lot of people don't say they don't like beets.
And the simple syrup, right?
Yeah.
So you
people
got the
don't
Scotch
like Scotch, but together it kind of makes a fun little cocktail.
This works, and you got a little black dot in it. What the black for? Okay, since this the Red Wedding, what's the black for?
It's dragon scales.
Dragon scales. Okay. So apparently there was a dragon at the Red Wedding. Okay. Who then blew flames at everybody. Good, boy, you really...
He was like just taking the big circle over the top.
You remember the dragon's name?
The dragon number 1.
Dragon number 1, I think his name is Puff. Puff the magic dragon at the Red Wedding, burn everyone to death. Good, dude, you really keeping up with this show.
Thanks.
Ladies and gentlemen, go curse him out on Instagram.
Yep.
Okay, go find him on Instagram. Check him out, man. This is a really, really, really good drink, okay? But unfortunately, we're putting this out while Game of Thrones is not is not currently on the air right now, but it's amazing.
Have those in like...
Yeah, go back and watch. Yeah, go back and watch, all right? Stay tipsy, my friend, stay tipsy.
I look forward to the death threats.
Yeah, that's good, man. That's good.